Hey guys, welcome to one more video where I'll be teaching math. Today I'm back with a question. So the question is simple. So you see an expression on the screen. So you have to find the integral part of this expression. That means the greatest value which is less than this particular expression. So before solving the question, I would like to tell you a story. So I encountered this problem when I was in my ninth standard. I was giving some Olympiad exam and this was one of the questions on the test. So when I saw this question in my ninth standard, I could not know how to answer this. The only thing I knew was to multiply all the terms in the numerator and to divide all the terms in the denominator and then somehow find out the value of this expression. But obviously I could not do that in the exam because it takes a lot of effort and it is not humanly possible to do that. So from that day this question was there on my mind. All right, I remember the exact question. So I thought a lot about this question but I could never solve it. I remember taking out the calculators and actually putting in all the numbers that I'm seeing on the screen and trying to see what the answer is. So my thought was, if I know the answer, I can backtrace and do something to arrive at the solution. But I utterly failed. When I was in my 11th standard, then I figured out how to solve this question. Not by using the concepts that are taught in your 11th and 12th standard when you're preparing for JEE. I did not use those concepts. I just used a simple concept which even a high school student can understand, and somehow I solved it. And that was the day when I got a lot of joy after solving this particular question. So I would like to share that approach with you in this video. So you're going to learn something from this. So make sure you stay till the end. So let us go ahead. So, okay, first I'll tell you something. So this expression can be easily converted into something like NCR. You can multiply the numerators with some numbers, multiply the denominator with some numbers, and then you can eventually, change it into this format, and you can do some JEE tricks that you might have learned and you can easily solve it. But then what I'm going to show you is an approach I took, a naive approach I took without knowing all of this. All right. Okay. So let us go ahead. So now let us consider P is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 6 multiplied by 7 by 8 and so on multiplied by 99 upon 100. All right. And now we have to find the integral part of 30p. All right, we have to find the integral part of 30p. So this is the task at hand. So now what I'll do, I'll take each fraction. So 1 by 2 we know is less than 2 by 3. All right. Similarly, 3 by 4 is less than 4 upon 5. Similarly, 5 by 6 is less than 6 by 7 and so on. 99 upon 100 is less than 100 upon 101. Now think what I'm going to do with all these inequalities. And yeah, you can even pause the video at this moment and after seeing this and try to arrive at the solution. So now what I'll do, I'll combine all these inequalities. I'll multiply all of them. So on your left hand side, you will have 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 6 multiplied by 7 by 8 and so on 99 upon 100. So this is less than 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 7 and so on 100 upon 101. Now this is simply your P. So this is P less than. Let us rearrange this part a bit. Since we have the fractions 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8 in the question. So let us take 2 aside from this fraction and write these 2 as a fraction. All right. Again, we will write these 2 as a fraction, 6 upon 5. So next will be 7 upon sorry, next will be 8 upon 7 and so on. Here we will be writing 199 as one fraction, 100 upon 99, and 1 upon 101. This 101 will be left out. So I rearrange the terms on the right hand side like this. Now take this 101 and 2 to the other side. So this is simply 101p upon 2 less than. Now I will write 4 as 1 upon 3 by 4 and 6 by 5 as 1 upon 5 by 6 and 8 by 7 as 1 upon 7 by 8 and so on, 99 upon 100. Now if you see, this expression is simply this expression, so which is 2p. So your 101 upon 2p is less than 1 by 2p. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So p square is less than 1 upon 101. Since, okay, so now we have this particular thing. All right. So this is one result that we have derived. Let us erase it. Let us erase everything and have this. So p square is less than 1 upon 101. P square is less than 1 upon 101. Now I'll do something else. So let us move ahead. Let us consider this fraction 3 upon 4. We know 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 by 3. So every high school student knows these things. These are just the values. I'm just making the comparison between the values. All right. 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 6 is greater than 4 upon 5 and so on. 99 upon 100 is greater than 98 upon 99. Now combine all these. So you'll get on the left hand side 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 6 and so on multiplied by 99 upon 100 is greater than 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 7 and so on multiplied by 98 upon 99. All right. Now if you see, this is simply 2p from this particular thing. So 2p is greater than. Now on the right hand side, all right, I'll do the similar thing again. I'll take 2 aside and I'll combine these two. I'll write them as 4 by 3. Instead of writing them as 4 by 3, we can write them as 1 upon 3 by 4. Next, this can be written as 1 upon 5 by 6. Similarly, we can write 97 and 98 here and so on, 1 upon 97 by 98. So this 99 can be taken to this side. All right. All right. Now, if you see, this is 99 into 2p. So here 2 is there. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this is simply 99p greater than 1 upon 3 by 4, 5 by 6 and so on, 97 by 98. So if you check carefully, so it starts from 3 by 4 and it ends with 97 upon 98. So we are considering this part of the fraction. So we are leaving out these two terms. So this can be written as p multiplied by 2 multiplied by 100 divided by 99. So this is 99p greater than 1 upon 200p by 90. This is same as 99p greater than 99 upon 200p. So 99 and 99 gets cancelled. So this is same as p square greater than 1 by 200. Since p is positive, we can write, okay, sorry, we can leave it at this point. P square is greater than 1 upon 200. We also got p square is less than 1 upon 101. So p square is greater than 200 and less than 1 upon 101. So 1 by 200 less than p square less than 1 upon 101. So this is what we got. Now, since we have to find out the integral part of 30p, I'll multiply this inequality with 900. So 900 by 200 less than p square less than 900 by 101. So if you see, this is 4.5 less than p square less than, this is 8 point something, 8 point something. Now if you take the square root, so root of 4.5, so this is 900 p square. Sorry, if you take square root, here you will get 30p less than square root of 8 point something. Alright, so square root of 4.5 is 2 point something, let's say 2 point x, less than 30p less than square root of 8 point something is also 2 point something, let's say 2 point y. So 30p lies between 2 point x and 2 point something. So 30p is equals to something like 2 point z. Alright, so integral part of 30p is equals to 2. Such it is. Isn't this question beautiful? What do you have to know to solve this question? Nothing. You don't have to know anything. You just have to know that 1 by 2, which is 0.5, is less than 0.66 and 0.75 is greater than 0.66. That's all. If you know that thing, and if you are able to think a bit about this question, spend some time on it, you will be able to crack it, and you'll get a lot of joy once you solve these questions on your own. I hope you got to learn something from this video. If you like the content that I'm making, do share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more such content, and if you have any queries, comment section is the way to go. Do not forget to like the video, and I have fantastic videos for you on my end screens. Do check them out. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.